Hello YouTubers, this is the All channel. Today we'll be talking about strip lights, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe for me because you're gonna get awesome videos here, just like you're gonna see this one. So we have a strip light here, and this strip light is actually a red, green, blue strip light. As you can see, there are 4 wires. There's a plus wire, and all these red and a negative wire. So when you connect all of them to power, they give white light. When you connect all the red light, green and blue correspondingly. And so this is just 1 meter, and like this we have the blue light here. So we'll talk about the blue light in a minute. This is the blue light. So it's giving blue light, and as you can see, because the camera you can't see the brightness, but it's actually very bright. Now I'm gonna switch off the blue light now, and I'm going to switch over to the 5 meter roll of the red, green, blue RGB light. And this is a 5 meter roll, and as you can see, I'm unraveling it. Now we'll connect this to an adapter. It's not actually an adapter, it's actually 12 volts, but what it happens is we have this arrow to this arrow, which is plus plus, and then all of these to the other ones. And so this can be controlled with a remote, according to the packet, with a remote. And so can be controlled with a remote. And so we'll just connect these like that. They're just connector pins, female to male, that's it. And we also have a 12 volt DC to AC adapter. This is especially for the RGB LEDs, which means red, green and blue LEDs. So input is 110 to 240 volts, and output is 12 volts. That is as much as I know. Let's connect this to power, and then we'll connect the other part, which is like connecting it to an Arduino, to the adapter. And this is just like this. So when I switch it on, you will see my slide spark, but it's actually not on. So you saw the slide spark, right? So what the slide spark is that to get rebooted inside, it takes some time, and so the light switches on for so much of time. Okay, so we have an IR sensor here. Okay, it's stuck. We have an IR sensor here, and so we are going to use the remote now. So let's unravel the remote. Here's the remote, and unraveling it and taking out the small plastic piece to let it work. Now let's push on, and it's on. Now it's like there's only red, so red, green, that's like, sorry, blue, and then it's green, and then it's white. That I told you that all of them together are white, and then different colors can also be switched on. Now I'll tell you the flashlight, which keeps flashing, the strobe light, which gives a strobe effect, and it changes slightly, and then fade, and then smooth. Okay, so and you can increase or decrease the time for which one color has to wait, and then you have to switch it off, and that's it. So this is one, and that's one. And the second one, I'll be talking about a 1 meter blue LED strip. And so this blue LED strip, it can easily be powered by a 9 volt battery. So I have powered it up with double-sided switches. You can check out my other video for that. And so we have the battery, and the battery is connected to the switch, and there's a plumber's tape here. And so we switch it on, and we get blue LED, and can just switch it off. So it's good for making putting it to the dress, so it's kind of like girls thing, but you can also hang it for hanging lights, and it can be a cool boy thing also. So this is 9 volt battery, and you can easily easily admire, your friends will admire you if you make this. And then so that's it for today. And so that's it for today. And LED strips are really a very good topic to talk about. They can come in different colors, variety of colors. LEDs are cheap now, eco-friendly, and I also gave a video about the light installation right there. And so I'm powering it up with that light. And so see, And so LED lights are very good, and this light is 5 meters compared to the blue and the other LED light, which is actually 1 meter. And so that's it for today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you. Signing off, the All channel. Bye bye.